Very good evening to all the Vivites watching me from India. A very good morning to all the Vivites who are watching me from the United States of America. So, this is the continuous Facebook live series called as Ask the Doctor, which is broadcasted to you on a daily basis. Well, my dear friends, this is on the Indus Viva INC Facebook page where I talk exclusively about the American product iVed every Friday night at 10 p.m. Indian Standard Time around about 11 a.m. or 11:30 across the United States of America. A warm welcome to all the Vivites across the globe from India, from the US, from the Africas, from the Middle East, from the Southeast Asias, from the Nepal, Bangladesh, and so on, and Sri Lanka as well. So, a very warm welcome to everybody. So, as you all know, my dear friends, I would also like to request you to shoot me your questions if you have any, because this is a product which is there only in the United States of America. So, as you all know that you can, have your clients there, watch this particular show so that they will understand more about the products as well. So, and also the American Vivites, if you do have any questions, you can just post me online directly. So later on also we'll be able to answer your questions as well. So thank you so much for your wholehearted participation. I would also like to request you all to host this as watch parties elsewhere on the social media platforms and even on the Facebook, so that people can watch this and get benefited by the knowledge about our wonderful and awesome wellness products. So this is the iVed that I am speaking about today. Well, as you all know that iVed was a product which was launched in the United States of America last year, 2019 end, and it is doing very well in the US. Well, my dear friends, there are a lot of important points in iVed, so I am trying to cover these points in each and every Facebook live series on Fridays. Well, today's topic is all about heart health and the importance of the product iVed so far as the heart health is concerned. Well, the most important ingredients which is present in iVed for heart health is called as the Arjunarishtam, which is also called as the Parthadyarishtam. This is an Ayurvedic formulation which is used in the product iVed, my dear friends. Well, as you all know that iVed is a product which is based on advanced Ayurveda. Well, ancient Ayurveda is a very traditional science which has been validated by modern science and technology, and that is the name which is given called as advanced Ayurveda. It is a gift of Indus Viva to the whole world, in fact. So advanced Ayurveda is basically based on the points where we try to excavate the secrets from the traditional herbal medicines of Ayurveda. We try to validate them by the microbiological studies. We also do the analytical chemistry studies, followed by the instrumentation studies as well. So this is what is exactly called as the scientific validation. So the final curtain raiser will be the clinical trials and the publications as well, which we are in the process of doing it. So once we have it, we will be happy to share that with you. So please do have a look at the Indus Viva INC Facebook page for all the updates on this wonderful product iVed and the further developments in the United States market of Indus Viva. Well, my dear friends, as you all know that iVed is not iPulse. Well, a most important question that most people do ask me is, what is the difference between iVed and iPulse? So is iVed available in India is the second question. See, there are a lot of differences between iVed and iPulse. In fact, iPulse is an Indian product which is a holistic combination of 15 antioxidant fruits. It is a fruit juice blend. So far as iVed is concerned, it is a fortified version of iPulse where you have the 15 antioxidant fruits, and along with that you also have the richness of the 4 Ayurvedic composite formulations. This is how iVed is different from iPulse. Well, iVed is a 100% natural product which is launched in the United States of America, which is based on the traditional Ayurvedic principles but validated by modern science and technology. This is what iVed is all about. Well, iVed contains the richness of 15 antioxidant fruits also, which includes the goodness of acai berry, along with the 4 composite Ayurvedic formulations, which mean that it has the richness of both the iPulse as well as the traditional Ayurveda also. That is what is all about iVed. Well, iVed is a product which contains 50 herbal ingredients. So how much? 50 herbal ingredients which are sourced from traditional Ayurvedic textbooks dating back to 5,000 years. They are in the form of 4 composite formulations which are added in the product. of which the total number of herbs are equal to 15 numbers actually. Along with this, it also has the goodness of the 15 antioxidant fruits as well, including acai berry. This is what Ayurveda is all about, my dear friends. Well, so far as the FDA regulations are concerned, again, the people who are watching for the first time, or you have not watched this show before, this is an information for everyone for that matter. The FDA, the Food and the Drug Administration of the United States of America, has cleared our packaging and the labeling. I like to tell you two important points which normally I repeat most of the times, which has to be repeated for the benefit of the people who are watching this. In fact, the US FDA is more worried about two important things. One is the product packaging. The labeling of the product has to be compliant with the US FDA standards, which we have already complied with. And the second important thing is the manufacturing facility of the product has to be registered with the US FDA. So in our case, Ayurveda is manufactured at a facility called as the Waco Bottling, which is present in the place called as Waco in the state of Texas in the United States of America. So both of which have been compliant with the US FDA. This is how the US FDA plays a very important role so far as to have a check on the traditional health products or the THPs in the United States of America. In fact, the products like Ayurveda are categorized as the traditional health products or the THP in the United States of America. So normally the Indian medicine like Ayurveda or the Unani, the Siddha, the homeopathy, or even the traditional Chinese medicine, or even the Tibetan medicine, or the Korean medicine for that matter. All these traditional systems of medicines have been categorized under the traditional health products of the US FDA, where the US FDA is mostly worried about the product labeling part as well as the manufacturing of the product in the United States soil, where the facility is registered with the US FDA. This is what are the two important constraints or the regulations that the US FDA is always worried about. Well, so far as the benefits of the product Ayurveda are concerned, again based on the traditional health claims, there are four important benefits of Ayurveda. One is the brain health support, the second is the gut health, the third is the liver health, and the fourth is the heart health. Again, as I said to you, my dear friends, if someone already has a look at the labeling of Ayurveda, there are clear disclaimers which are written on the box. As per the US FDA, the traditional health claims are not validated. So none of these claims, what I am trying to tell you right now, are validated by the US FDA, which need not validate it actually, because they are traditional health claims which are proved from time immemorial, which means that they are present in the textbooks of Ayurveda since 5,000 years and have been used in the land of Indian subcontinent for a lot of centuries actually from now. So today, as I told you, I'll be concentrating on heart health and immunity as well. See, one important thing, most of the times I do repeat this, which I want to tell it again. The most important thing about Indus Viva products, for all the products for that matter, our products are frontline immune boosting products. Why I tell this point is, there are specific ingredients within the products for specific conditions. There are specific ingredients within the products for boosting the immunity also. This is also very important. So it has the ingredients which are herbal in nature, which are natural in nature. So these ingredients will definitely boost or enhance the immunity of the human body. So whenever the immunity is enhanced, automatically the resistance of the human body is maintained, by which the body can protect itself from all kinds of dreadful viral diseases, my dear friends, or whatever the disease for that matter is. So the product is full of antioxidants as well. So the major role of antioxidants is actually to boost your immunity as well as create an environment where the resistance can develop so that the body can have the best of the best immunity against all kinds of diseases in the future as well. So heart health is one important thing where Ayurveda is positioned. See, as I normally tell in the point of eye pulse as well, heart health or heart disease for that matter, people should not consider this heart disease as heart attack or cardiac arrest. No. Heart disease is not heart attack or cardiac arrest. These two conditions are the end stage of heart disease. They are not the beginning stage of the heart disease. These are the end stages where the people die because of these conditions, or they become critically ill because of these conditions. Well, heart disease are many in numbers in fact. I'm not trying to talk about the congestive cardiac failure here. I'm not trying to talk about the ischemic heart disease. No, they are all the different chronic illnesses of the heart. I'm trying to talk about the reasons for heart diseases. Well, there are a lot of reasons for heart disease, starting from your diabetes or obesity, the lifestyle changes, the diet impairment. All these things can lead to heart problems. These are the basic causative factors of heart disease, and the end stage of it is actually called as heart attack or cardiac arrest. This is where the people have a very, the misinformation is too much. So, what are the 7 steps for a healthier heart? So, there are 7 important steps that the cardiologists also give for a healthier heart. See, I would like to tell you about those 7 steps actually. The first and the foremost thing is, this is also in consultation with the FDA as well as the CDC of the US. Eat a heart healthy diet, which most of us don't follow actually. In the sense, make vegetables and fruits, whole grains, and fish, mealtime staples, limit sodium or salt, saturated fat, and added sugar. So the last 3 points is very, very important. Limiting the salt, avoiding the saturated fat, or in other words, the processed fat, as well as adding a lot of sucrose or sugar. See, these points are very important so far as to protect your heart health, which most of us don't do. And in a country like United States of America, where the saturated fat and the processed food are consumed a lot, they're always prone to heart diseases. The second thing, get active. So log 150 minutes of moderate intensity activity like brisk walking per week, or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity activity is also required. It's a simple exercise. It can be a brisk walking as well, which should be inculcated, which should be habituated actually. So if that is followed on a daily basis, automatically the heart diseases can be prevented. Control your blood sugar levels, which is very, very dangerous thing because of the processed fat and consuming a lot of sugary drinks, confectionaries. All these things can lead to a lot of heart problems. Watch your cholesterol, especially the bad fat most of the times. Maintain a healthy weight. A body mass index which is less or equal to 25 is always advised, but we normally don't do it because of various issues actually. Live a smoke-free life. The addictions also play a very important role here. See, these are 7 steps for a healthier heart, but these are very good to listen to. But to follow them in the regular or the routine life is very important for an average human being. That is what is the problem. The human race is actually developing, or the human race is affected with in the whole world actually today, because we are not able to follow these regulations, which are very simple in nature, but we have made it complex. Well, for that we have the best of the best dietary supplements with us called as Ayurveda, which can definitely help you in maintaining the best of the best heart health as well, my dear friends. Not only this, there are a lot of data these days. One of the important articles on September the 1st, 2020, which was written by a nutritionist called as Carla Walsh. She says that every 40 seconds an American has some kind of a heart related issue. The CDC has also reported this particular thing. I'm not trying to talk about dying of heart attack or something. I'm trying to tell you the reasons. These are called as the root causes of the heart disease. As I told you, there are a lot of root causes. Every 40 seconds, an average American has a heart-related root cause, or a kind of a symptom that happens inside the body. This is also, in fact, substantiated, justified by the CDC, or the Center for Disease Control and Prevention. See, this cause is, there might be so many things. The reason might be the blood pressure, the obesity, and as of course the diet as well as the lifestyle changes. And in fact, diabetic people, the diabetic population is also affected with a lot of cardiac diseases, high risk cardiac diseases basically, especially in the US, because most of the fat related issues, especially the bad fats, the triglycerides, play a very important role in clogging the vessels of the heart, leading to a lot of heart blocks, the vessel blocks as we call. So all these things are leading to a lot of heart problems in the US. So not only this, as this is a corona zamana, as I call, this is the era of corona. The COVID-19 linked to heart damage in healthy people. See, this is also one of the articles which appeared on July the 31st, 2020, written by a doctor called as Rachel Retner. In fact, the doctor says something like this actually. People who recover from COVID-19 may have lingering heart damage and inflammation months after their initial infection, even if they were not hospitalized. One of the clinical trials has suggested this actually. Even healthy people who have become negative after being affected with the virus, they have some or the other heart related infection. This is what the clinical trial has suggested, my dear friends. Many of the patients also told that there is detectable levels of a protein called as troponin in the blood, which indicates heart injury. The people who have come out of COVID-19, who have become negative, their blood was tested in the clinical trial for a particular protein called as the troponin. And this level was increased, suggesting that this particular virus has in fact damaged or caused some kind of a damage to the heart, which can lead to a lot of cardiac related complications in the future as well. This is also one major thing that the people have to understand in the US as well, because by consuming a product, a dietary supplement product like Ayurveda, you can definitely protect the human body from such kind of heart related damage in the future, because this virus would have caused some kind of a damage in the body which we don't know right now. So in the future days, the lungs as well as the heart can be affected with this, so people can be protected by consuming this dietary supplement so that they can have the best of the best heart related health, my dear friends. So heart disease is also one of the leading cause of death among men and women in the United States according to CDC, and annually around 800,000 people in America have a heart attack. Heart health should be a priority, and making healthy choices early in the life can improve heart health and help prevent the cardiovascular diseases. This is what one of the articles which was posted on September the 2nd, 2020 by Stephanie Bowens, one of the doctors in the US. So this is what they have told. 800,000 people in the US every year, they are affected with heart attacks as per the CDC. A very alarming situation in the US, my dear friends. We do have a wonderful product with us, a dietary supplement, which is very good for protecting your heart health. So my suggestion is definitely you can use this for all kinds of the causative factors of the heart disease. Managing or treating heart attack is something else which is left to the cardiologist, but you can definitely protect and prevent the particular condition from aggravating to a heart attack level. That is what we can absolutely do here. So not only this, research now begins to rapidly understand deadly link between COVID-19 and cardiovascular diseases. See, one of the clinical trials which happened in England, the United Kingdom, around a month back, they have told that people who have heart and circulatory diseases are affected by COVID-19. So this is also one of the major causes across the world. They are the people, they are the population who are vulnerable to this particular infection as well, my dear friends. I hope the point is clear to you all. COVID-19 has also shown damage to heart and blood vessels, increasing blood clotting time. This is also one area where the doctors are actually understanding, or they are in the process of understanding this particular infection as well, my dear friends. So heart injury associated with high risk of death from COVID-19. See, again, as I told you, the musculature or the muscles of the heart are actually affecting this particular, muscles of the heart have been affected by this virus, by which the heart health has also depreciated or decreased a lot. This is what is exactly happening around. Well, so far as Ayurveda is concerned, as I told you, it is a wonderful heart support product. So especially it contains the goodness of Arjunarishtam, which we also call it as Parthadhyarishtam, the major ingredient being Terminalia Arjuna. This is a tree which is found often in India. We call it as the Arjuna tree. In fact, the fruits of Arjuna resemble the 4 chambers of your heart. That is how the Arjuna tree is actually found. In fact, the law of similarities happen, or the law of similarity which was propounded centuries ago is still valid today, as validated by the modern scientists as well. So this particular fruit, or in fact the whole tree for that matter, has been identified and scientifically validated today so as to understand the cardioprotective benefits of the product as well, my dear friends. So there are a lot of other health benefits of this particular Terminalia Arjuna. It protects the heart, it fights the lipid disorders, it tackles high blood pressure, it helps manage diabetes, fights fungal infections, helps heal the wounds faster, it fights the damage from the free radicals and inflammation as well. This is how exactly this particular Ayurveda or the Terminalia Arjuna is actually used, my dear friends. I hope the point is clear to you all. So not only this, The formulation of Parthadhyarishtam or Arjunarishtam as we call has a lot of other benefits as well. It's a very good cardioprotective tonic. It helps maintain the blood pressure. It also contains the natural coenzyme Q10 which strengthens the heart muscles. The weakened heart muscles can be strengthened with this particular ingredient. It promotes the normal blood flow and homocysteine levels. It supports the lipid absorption by the blood. It helps the heart to withstand the stress. This is also very important. The stress can be withstood by the use of this wonderful ingredient called as Terminalia Arjuna. In fact, it is a very good product for heart disease, weakness of the heart, palpitations. It gives strength to the heart. It is good for lung disorders. It is also good for improving your immune conditions, or it boosts your immunity as well. That is the main reason why it is very important for you people to consume this, so that the best of the best immunity as well as the heart health can be obtained with the help of Ayurveda. Well, this particular Parthadhyarishtam is a wonderful ingredient which was told in Ayurveda dating back to 5000 BC. There are 20 herbs which are present in this wonderful ingredient, and that which is helping in supporting the cardiac health or the heart health, my dear friends. So, as you all know that Ayurveda is actually a supplement which can be used for protecting the health of a healthy person and to prevent the forthcoming disease. It is not a replacement for mainstream medicine. It can be taken along with other medications also. It has least to no side effects. Well, so far as the dosage of Ayurveda is concerned, it is very important for you to consume 30 ml or 1 fluid ounce of Ayurveda in the morning, half an hour before breakfast, and 1 fluid ounce in the night, half an hour before dinner, for beneficial results. It can be consumed safely for longer duration without worrying much about the side effects or the adverse effects. In children, it should be given above 8 years only, not below 8 years. Above 8 years till the old age, Ayurveda can be given. It can be safely consumed across all age groups from pediatric to geriatric population. That is till old age, this can be given. I hope my point is clear to everybody. So people who are watching from India, Nepal or Sri Lanka, so definitely if you have your prospects or clients back in the US, please do let them know about this product. Ask them to view these videos which is broadcasted on every Friday night, so that they'll be understanding what this product is, and it will definitely help them for retailing the product there in the US, as well as for the customers who are there, the clients who are there in the US. You can make them understand what exactly this product is all about. Well, my dear friends, this is for the day actually today. So thank you very much for your wonderful participation in this Ayurveda series on Facebook INC page. Let us all work towards establishing the wellness across the world and remove the word illness from everybody. So this is what our duty is all about, our responsibilities are all about. Thank you so much, Vivites, for your wholehearted participation in this wonderful Facebook Live series. Thank you so much. I hope if you do have any questions on this, you can definitely post me your questions on the Facebook page as well. So once we have your questions, definitely we will be able to answer them as well. So you can also post your questions on the messenger of Indus Viva INC Facebook page. We will be happy to help you on that as well, my dear friends. Thank you so much all the Vivites for your wholehearted participation. This is Dr. Balu Kolar, Head of Product Development and Training at Indus Viva Health Sciences, Bangalore, India, signing off from my residence. Thanks a lot. A very good night to all the Indian Vivites, the Nepal Vivites, the Sri Lankan Vivites, and the Myanmar Vivites. A very good afternoon and a day ahead for all the African Vivites. A very good afternoon and a very good weekend ahead for all the US Vivites. Have a nice day ahead. Thanks a lot. Thank you very much.